Hello guys, hope you all are fine. So today's in this video I will tell you about e-commerce and selling online. I will tell you and guide you how you can sell and providing your services online and how you can sell your products online. So here I have my cell phone and I am going to open here my Chrome browser and right there e-commerce selling online, e-commerce selling online. So here's the result I am seeing. I am opening how to sell online step by step guide from Shopify. uh, I can go back here. How to start an e-commerce business, build, launch, and grow a profitable online store. The future of e-commerce is incredibly bright, but learning how to start an e-commerce business is initiating. It requires hard work and demands many steps and decisions that need to come together at the right time. To help, we've but put together a comprehensive blueprint on the best way to start an e-commerce business, complete, complete from Shopify's best content. These blog posts, guides, and videos have been organized based on the most important tasks you'll face when researching, launching, and growing a profitable e-commerce business. Number one, choosing a product, finding a product to sell. The first step in how to start an e-commerce business is knowing what product you want to sell online, wholesale or direct to consumer. This often is the most challenging part when you start an e-commerce business. In this section, we'll highlight strategies you can use to find product opportunities, explore the best places to look for business ideas, and finally look at trending products to consider. Find products to sell on Shopify with Oberlo strategies for finding your first profitable product opportunities, trending products to sell in 2021, online business ideas you can start from home. Evaluation your idea. The best way to start e-commerce business is to make sure you're set up from success even before launch. So once you have a product idea in mind, how do you know if it will be sell? In this section, we'll cover a few approaches that active entrepreneurs have used to validate their product ideas and potential market. How to validate your product idea. The 16-step checklist to evaluating your product idea. How to find and source a winning product to sell. In less than 40 minutes, let us walk you through how to find product idea, how to validate them, and how to sell the product. One, you have an idea you want to pursue. After landing on a strong product idea, your next step in how to start e-commerce business is figure out where and how you're going to obtain your product. The next four posts cover the various methods for acquiring your product along with the pros and cons of each model. How to find a reliable manufacturer and suppliers for your products. 12 Shopify apps for finding product to sell without shipping them yourself. Print on demand, a low risk way to sell custom t-shirt, books, and more. Sell your retail product online. Many independent retailers face a challenging road ahead. Shifted your brick and mortar business online can help you weather this storm, generate cash flow, build a more residential business. How to move your brick and mortar business online. Sell gift cards on for your retail business with a simple online store. How to quality set up a buy online pickup curbside experience. Research and prepare. Research your competition, you found your product, evaluated its personalization, and sourced a supplier. Now it's time for the next phase of how to start your own e commerce business. You'll need to thoroughly research your competition so you know what you're up against and how you can differentiate your business from theirs.